Akashbani Imphal Lanthokchari Paugi Saktam Saktam asida Census lisingani kuntaretki ahanba tangkaki training pangtokhiba Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex lisingani kun mga hawdokhiba Akashbani Imphal na miyamgi seba torokpa sahi humpu helakpagi thauram Rabies lainagi matangda training program amasung paugi saktamda Tamenglong Zilagi pauta Census lisingani kuntaretki ahanba tangkaki pre-state urban da saruk yagadaba enumerator singamadi supervisor singi numit humlegi training program Imphal Municipal Corporation gi conference hall da yumjakesa numit hawdokhi Imphal Municipal Corporation Principal Census Officer Imphal amasung Directorate of Census Manipur na singba thoromadu da wa ngangbada Imphal Municipal Corporation gi Commissioner amasung Principal Census Officer Urban Kiyam Chandrakumar na hai Urban gi oina Imphal Municipal Corporation gi Ward number 16 singa makha da sathagadaba pre-state asida mari lenaba singna marik sumna paw lawnaba honabiyu mahakna hai
2020-27 da pangthokadriba Census asiga mari lenana Director of Census Operation Manipur na ahanba pre-test ki oina rural gi area ama aduga urban gi area ama urban gi area khangapun da Imphal Municipal Corporation gi Ward number 16 pre-test census ki damakta select tori aduna Director of Census Operation Manipur gi PM Makhada Magi direction tungina numit humni gi training session amaka Imphal Municipal Corporation gi conference hall da pangthoi maruoina masi pangthoi isi karigino harakanda lakadoriba main census 2020-27 asida aikoina census tawu matamda karam haina tawgani data mayam je koina preserve kam tawni karamai semuni haibagi matangda madugi khamina nabi damta aikoina selection tawraba supervisor enumerator punna ni kunma thoini selection tawsi aduna hairiba supervisor enumerator singchida makoina karam haina yum na chalaga census ki information mayam chi kamai logani khotkani haibagi matangda aikoi nimi humni gi session namaka Imphal Municipal Corporation da chataba haujare
Numit mangani sathagadaba Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex lisingani kun manga Imphal East ki Nilekuthida leiba Urban Hatta Rajapal Ajoy Kumar Bhalana ngarang hawdokre Raizigi Handloom and Textiles na sinduna pangthokiba hawdokpagi thoramda wa ngangbada Rajapal na hai Manipur asi kuiraba matamdagi phisabi singi lam oina khangnaragli Raija asida mausagi amasung khutsa haibagi lamsing punna chali amadi pothok asida chanabigi mami sauna tari Expo asina Manipur gi brand bu malemda masak takpada sauna mateng oiragani Rajapal na hai
Manipur has long been known as the land of weavers where tradition and talent blend seamlessly. Every piece of fabric woven here carries the fragrance of our hills and valleys and the essence of our culture. This expo is therefore a proud moment for all of us. It offers a vibrant platform for our artisans and entrepreneurs to showcase their creations before a global audience and to strengthen the Manipur brand, a brand that stands for authenticity, elegance, and eco-friendly craftsmanship. By bringing together international buyers, designers, and trade partners, Manitex opens new doors for collaboration and export.
Akashbani na sahi marbudra surakpa madi Akashbani Imphal na miyam gi seba torokpa sahi humpu helakpagi thoram Imphal gi Palace compound da leiba City Convention Center da yumjakesa numita pangthokhi thoromatu da saruk yaraduna Rajapal Ajoy Kumar Bhalan hai Public Broadcasting gi lamda Akashbani Imphal na masagi integrity professionalism amasung innovation ngangna thabak toriba madi pung kunmari sumna YouTube live streaming toriba si thaganingai ni National Award kunithoi hena phanglaba Akashbani Imphal na kathokpaga loilena thabak tauri haibasi masina mayek laraba khudamni Rajapal na hai
Akashvani Imphal has completed 60 years of service. I understand it made its humble beginning on 15th August 1963 actually within the Raj Bhavan complex, and then Akashvani Imphal has grown into a vital institution and informs, educates and entertains people across Manipur and now across the world also. Over 6 decades, it has played a key role in promoting national unity, preserving cultural heritage and strengthening social harmony. Its programs in multiple local dialects have brought voices from remote regions to the mainstream, fostering understanding among diverse communities. The station is known for its accuracy, integrity, and ethical journalism, and its engineers have shown commendable innovation by developing 24/7 YouTube live streaming channels, a pioneering achievement among Akashvani stations in the country. Receive information at much more faster pace, but it has its own challenges also. We get fake news, sensationalism, and biased reporting. For a society as diverse and sensitive as Manipur, truthful and responsible journalism is vital. Media must act as a bridge that connects communities, not as a wedge that divides them. When reporting on sensitive issues, restraint and balance are as important as courage. The journalist's pen and broadcaster's microphone are powerful tools. They can either heal or harm. The responsibility to use them wisely rests every media professional. Media, often called the fourth pillar of democracy, must remain impartial and fearless. It should question authority when needed, but never become an instrument of division or political bias.
Rabies lainagi matangda nongmagi oiba training program ama Jelims Hospital gi lecture hall da lebak pawon numita pangthokhi. National Rabies Control Program ki makhada pangthoki ba thormadu da wangang bada State Surveillance Officer Dr. Sanasam Gopal Nahai Raisa sida matam ga sunaraba model anti-rabies clinic hangna bahonari. Hui ni sikpaga khudakta ising aphabane ningthina samthokpi gadabani amadi khudakta layeng sangda satuna layeng na bahona gadabani. Dr. Gopal Nahai.
We have vaccine once the professional widely the program. Treatment is nearby health center as a peer. Singular and solar vaccination given a people other different to go out when different to when the local health such compulsory when we see neglect of the post-exposure prophylaxis vaccine to kapo magani nasai kai ba ku dum ba bari si ko ida ba vaccine hotel dia ko community side ni mi amada bahal ani ida dia ko mena bahal ani sina magi full dose ko ye bi ne ba aduga mana health center la ko je mangara ni 03740 dia ai ba aduna akoi community ka ambulance ko ko wa mo san ko ni na ko ni ko ni ko na patient amada bahal ani TB Ado nanti tu kamu pergi pada September dokter, aku lebih dari sibu IPS, kamu kosong deh. Ado lah, sibu IPS yang kita berikan, aku community awareness yang berkali, we now cik kerja ni, aku dia center adalah post exposure prophylaxis, aku advice video.
Akashvani Imphal gi pau gi saktamda aikhoi gi Tamenglong paumi Ringbam Kamaina Tamenglong zila gi matangda piba pauda.
December 17 dagi 19 2025 fau chathagadoriba 19 suba state level Orange Festival gidamak district administration Tamenglong na thorang kanna chatharaga leire lakadoriba 18 state level Orange Festival asida Orange competition, Orange Queen contest, Orange Grower seminar, Tamenglong God's Talent season 5 musical night, tourist spot mayamda camping amadi adventure activities kaya chathanaba thorang tauri. State level Orange Festival 2025 ki thorang kaya chatharibagi manungda Department of Information and Public Relation gi District Information Officer Anthony Gangmaina asumna haiki.
Handak lakadoriba 19 suba state level Orange Festival 2025 asise lakliba tha December 17 to 19 December gi manung asisa pangthokjarani akhoi gi 18 suba state level Orange Festival gi chairman amasung deputy commissioner oiriba Dr. L Dangsawa gi chairol amana asigi festival asi fajana successful oinabagi damakta sub committee kunithoi oinasu sem khare masi sub committee sina hojik tha asigi manung sida successfully organize amasung successfully participate tawnabagi damakta hojik magi work allocation se fajana chathari lakadoriba Orange Festival gi yamna nungaigadoriba event sing asisina Orange Grower singi oina competition komla se khwaide hawba thumba phajaba asigi competition se leirani adugi mathakta mathangda Orange Queen competition leijarani music amasung akogi food adventure asisina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯃꯦꯡꯂꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯦꯟꯖ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 18 ꯑꯁꯤꯗ Tamenglong District Headquarter asida Orange Queen gi first audition Tamenglong District Headquarter da oina pangthokcharani madu hek loijabaga lakadoriba tang 12 asigi numik asida Hotel Classic Imphal da Manipur punamak ki oina Imphal da headquarter asida Orange Queen gi audition ja haujarani haina asigi chayol asisina mayamda haijabani
Khangjinba yai Manipur da ethnic conflict na maram oiduna state level Orange Festival asi Komsi chahi ani ge matungda amuk chathagadoribani matang asida Orange Festival nangnaba Tamenglong town asi Rigid Payment Road PWD Tamenglong Division na kanna semli lambi asi quality yauna sembi na ba politicians CSO leaders public leaders kayana monitor tawduna leiri lambi asi semli ba manung asida public nayamna cooperation PB na ba Tamenglong local MLA Janghemlu Panmai nasu hongdokhibani migratory birds Amul falcon Tamenglong da akhoi pina natraga tamon pui haina khangnaba asibu ngakpi naba awareness program amadi activities kaya chathari adugi manungda chatkhiba hafta aduda Amul falcon conservation and protection maramda poetry writing competition chathaki 7 aside men and women football tournaments to Dugailong Turf Ground da chathaki aduga Gongram village da ngarang 8 November da awareness program for conservation and protection of Amul falcon chathaki
Matang asida Akashbani Imphal gi I pau kangbuna puthokpa Chayol gi pau gi saktam loizare khomjin ba musung puthokpa Thokchom Jogendrajit Tengbang ba Thokchom Barun Lijakhiba Maibam Dwijamani